Select out there. He designated men out there. All praise Yahweh Shem outside by 7 o'clock by the top. All praises to Yahweh by Shem outside by Hashem across the top by the top. Come on to the other community. Praise thanks to the brother out there on the Hedge Highway that let man. This is another quick one, man. And it's real quick, man. So we're supposed to look for the signs in the heavens, man, for y'all watching out y'all return, man. I don't know. I look at any little thing, you know, may not be of real significance to who may not, who it may not concern, but I just, look at deliverance, man. Picture this. Could be a chariot, who knows? Look like it's on, look like it's gonna be on the turn to a ready moon, full moon, or Salakia, whatever it may be. Moving around the camera a lot. So man, so Salakia about Kushaso. Also this year, this this Roman calendar. So it's not we're not an actual time and date, because it's the rulership we're under, which is coming to an end soon. So I pray to you how about Shimmy outside, by Shimmy across the top, and continue to look for the signs in the heavens, look into the sky, look into the heavens for the prayer for y'all, for our extraction, our removal, our deliverance from Babylon. It's from above. Shares to the vehicles of our rescuing out of Babylon, along with getting to our angelic extraterrestrial form, like I said, extraterrestrial. But and again, for the camera movement, this is a quick, quick faces for another one. And just pray to how about you outside by 10 o'clock. Continue to pray without cease. Pray for faith, just pray how about you outside for His Spirit into you, allow you more faith to believe into this truth and believe in His deliverance. There's a lot of doubters, a lot of naysayers. And I feel in my spiritually that how about you outside by 7 o'clock or that's about that time to do something very monumental and proving to those disobedient, those that's disobedient and wicked, and mock how about you outside, mock the prophets, which it speaks of. The prophets are spoken in scripture biblically, man. Look it the fuck up. Now, everything is out there now for you niggas, for you people out there, whoever it may be. Niggas could be Edomite, 2/3 Judite women, heathen. Slack it, man. Big time to the good. Look in on this magnificent angelic sight. So if you don't believe it, it's out there. Yeah, the source is out there to even for a low vibrational motherfucker that does not believe in this thing. It's out there. You can't help. The truth is the truth, and it's out there, and everything prophetical that's lined up with this Bible that's biblically being taught correctly by the prophets, which it speaks of biblically in the Bible, in the scriptures, man. That the alarm sound, the sound alarm, as a warning for the impending return of Yahweh Bashem outside, man. The destruction upon the place. He's disobedient out there, man. And Yahweh Bashem outside is coming soon, so pray without cease. Continue to pray. Keep praying, man. And shalom.